Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about my interactive module planning template, and I'm going to be going over all the key components. So as you can see at the top, you have your lesson topic, background, and standards. The standards are really important because that's what I'm building my lesson plan around. So as you can see, I have my first learning objective, which is through an interactive model, students will be able to analyze the causes of the Great Depression. And I go on and I have instructional planning, technology integration, as well as assessment method. So for my first main point, which is always listed right under the categories, it is students will analyze the causes of the Great Depression. So let's move on to the next topic. And as you can see, I have subpoints under each point to really build up this lesson plan and make sure I'm giving the best to my students. So for my second objective is through an interactive module, students will be able to describe the impact of the Great Depression. And as you can see again, I have the main point right under the categories, as well as all the subpoints, which I will be including. So with all of this, I'm going to be integrating technology. On a website I created on Wix, and on this, students are going to watch presentations and at the end, create a final assessment which will list the two causes of the Great Depression as well as the impact on society. I also have a few little trick questions implemented throughout there just to make sure the students are paying attention. So this is it. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a great day.